In today's video, I'm sharing a bunch of niches that I predict are going to get huge in 2026. Now, in my last video, all about some of the biggest niches of 2026, you guys loved that list, but if you came to that video a little late, or you already made a bunch of t-shirts or other products for those niches, this video is going to have all new niches that are also going to do really well in 2026, either because there is a huge event happening or because there is a lot of interest in things like this. Some of them are probably things you have never even thought of before, so I recommend you stick around to the end of the video to hear all of these. Now, any of these niches would make a fabulous t-shirt to sell on a place like Amazon or Etsy, but I'm also going to be sharing some alternative products for a few of these niches that I think could either do really well in tandem with t-shirts or maybe could do even better and really help your shops take off. So let's not waste any more time and just jump right into this list. It's a really, really good one. Now, the first niche on this list is one that I think is probably one of the best on this list, and ones of you who really capitalize on this early are going to make tons of sales, and I could see some new shops really, really taking off and being able to make thousands of dollars in profit from this one particular niche because there's so many ways to take it. And that is, this year is the Route 66 Centennial, which means Route 66 is turning 100 years old. It's a very historic highway route in the United States that crosses through many major cities and places. Now, this isn't as widely used as it once was, but there are still so many people that take this kind of as a tourist route, and especially because it's such a historic anniversary this year, there is going to be a lot of people traveling across this route, stopping at a lot of the cities along the way. So what I predict is going to do really, really well is all sorts of different Route 66 merch, as well as items that kind of feature the specific cities that a lot of people pass through, along with kind of a Route 66 twist. So think vintage is going to do very well, old-timey cars, kind of really nostalgic imaging on these t-shirts, or just anything that really highlights this very, very historic roadway is going to do very, very well this year. Definitely one that you want to write down and get started making some products for today. Now, this next niche is a very popular one in previous years, but I predict that it's going to be even bigger throughout the rest of this year, and that is the niche of first-time homebuyers or people moving and buying houses this year. Now, in the US, if you kind of keep up with things like interest rates, we've definitely had a lot of fluctuation in the past few years, but right now we are kind of at a little bit of the lowest rate that we've seen in the last little bit. So a lot of people, I think, are taking that as a chance to finally either sell their home that they currently have and buy something new, or they are able to buy a home for the first time. So t-shirts that really talk about being a first-time home buyer, or specifically gifts that a real estate agent could give to a person who is purchasing a home with them, is what is going to do really, really well. Now, the one product that I wanted to feature from Printify that I think a lot of people might not think to sell, especially around the beginning of the year, but is actually a really, really good item for this niche, is going to be Christmas ornaments. Now, I know you're probably thinking Christmas is months and months away at this point, but a Christmas ornament is a really popular gift for a real estate agent to give to one of their buyers. So even though it's not Christmas, it's something that says like our first home established 2026, they would give it to them, and then when Christmas rolls around, they're able to use that ornament. So putting things like our first home or our new home 2026 is going to do very, very well this year, as a lot more people are going to be buying and selling homes, I'm thinking. Now, along with the World Cup this year, which I talked about in my last video, another big sporting event we have coming up actually very soon. So if you want to capitalize on this, you need to do it very quickly, and that is the Winter Olympics and just more interest in winter sports in general. So not only could you make t-shirts featuring many of the countries that are competing in the Olympics, you could also make a lot of different items that feature particular winter sports. All of those are very good, sometimes very small sub niches in themselves. So a lot of times when it comes to apparel featuring sports, people are going to think about your classics like soccer, basketball, kind of tennis, baseball, but those niches can be very, very saturated. But a lot of the different winter sports that are featured in the Winter Olympics are a little bit more uncommon, so therefore there is less competition for those sorts of niches. Now, you definitely want to stay away from anything that actually features like the Olympics rings or any iconography that is related to the Olympics specifically. You will get in big trouble if you try to use that on your designs, but if you feature winter sports or the countries that are competing, those are going to be really good ways to take this and actually be able to make some sales. Now, for any of these niches, if you are thinking you want to sell them, especially on Etsy, the best way is going to be linking your Etsy account with a manufacturing partner that can make all of these products. And the one that I use and have talked about even in this video is called Printify. They have a catalog of hundreds of different products. I sell a ton of t-shirts with them, but also other kind of more out of the box products like I'm going to talk about a little bit more. So they are totally free to use. All you do is anytime you make a sale, so for example, if you made some Route 66 t-shirts, you listed them on your Etsy shop for $25, when someone purchased that item for that price, you are going to be charged by Printify just for the wholesale cost of that item. So that could be around $10 for that t-shirt. And then once your customer has received the item for the price that they purchased, you are going to get that $25 back. So you basically make the difference, which in that case, for example, would be $15. I'll link down below how to get a free account with Printify, as well as a video about how to actually link that with your Etsy shop. Just in case you guys have never done that, that's the best way to kind of utilize a lot of these niches on Etsy. Now let's jump back into the rest of this list. Now, another group of people that is experiencing a significant milestone in 2026 is kids born in 2010 are turning 16 and they are becoming first-time drivers. So the first-time drivers niche is a great one to hit related to 2026. And not only can you make kind of fun t-shirts about the person actually turning 16 and getting their keys for the first time, but I think a really good way to take this would also be making apparel for the parents. So even things like that are more funny, like Pray For Me, My Son's Behind the Wheel 2026. And a lot of times for niches like this, I like to actually take a prompt to some place like ChatGPT and say something like, give me 20 really good ideas for first-time drivers in 2026 or for parents of drivers 2026. And you can even be more specific like that. So give me some funny, sarcastic t-shirt phrases. And that really is a good way to kind of get the gears turning or find some really, really good phrases that you might have not thought of on your own. Now, the product that I think could also do very well besides just t-shirts is some kind of keychain. So this is a really good gift for new drivers to put on their first pair of keys, or just to kind of signify this really momentous moment in some of these kids' lives. Now, Printify has a ton of different keychain options, some priced higher than others, but they have a really good range. So one of those is a great product to add in addition to t-shirts if you want to tap into this niche this year. Now, along with that, we also have the niche of the Sweet 16 happening for those kids born in 2010, as well as kids turning 21 who were born in 2005. So birthday shirts featuring things like born in 2005, born in 2010 are going to do really, really well this year. Now, you can look at examples of previous years past of what types of shirts have done really well. So for example, you could look up 2009 year birthday shirts and see which ones did well and kind of put that same spin on ones for this year. Now, these are great niches because every single year you can see what has done well and you can kind of update it for the year to come and have a whole new batch of people to kind of sell these items to. Now, again, along with t-shirts for this niche, another one I thought would do really well, especially for those turning 21 this year, is to sell some kind of insulated like wine mug. This could be a really fun gift either from a friend or someone who knows someone turning 21, and you could put things like established in 2005 or other fun phrases related to the year 2005 on that. Printify also has a huge selection of glasses as well as the kind of these insulated wine mugs that I really like. Now, another niche that is so profitable because there are many different ways you can take this for this year is going to be the 2026 cruises that are happening. Now, what I don't want you to do for a niche like this is to just get a bunch of t-shirts on Printify and kind of slap on a design that just says like cruise 2026. The people that are actually going to make money are the ones that are going to niche down and find a more specific way to actually target this niche. So that is going to be things like targeting the specific cities that families are visiting, targeting the specific cruise sites, the excursions that they are doing. So for example, something like this would be like Family Cruise 2026, first stop Miami, or the destination that the cruise is going to. So featuring kind of more specific cities on there is a really good way to take this. Now, this is another one that you also could personalize. So if you feel comfortable with personalization, which I feel is a little bit more of an advanced print on demand skill, but you can ask for a little bit of a higher price on your items if you include this, but you can actually include like families' names on these vacation shirts. So you could do something like Wilson Family Cruise 2026. And then the nice thing about this type of niche is that when you get a sale for this, you're typically not just getting one sale, you are going to get a sale for either a whole family or an entire group, because not just one person is going to be wearing these on the trip. Typically people are getting them as kind of a matching set for their family. So one design could turn into 5, 6 plus sales for every single time you get a purchase. Now, the next niche that I have on this list is kind of a new twist on a niche that always does well every single year, and that is the teaching niche. But you are not going to be targeting current teachers. You are going to be targeting all of the teachers that are retiring in 2026. Now, there kind of has been like a mass exodus in a lot of teachers, unfortunately, but that means a ton of them are planning to retire in 2026, and a lot of people love to commemorate that, or their friends and family will buy them things like shirts, sweatshirts, mugs that all talk about retiring in 2026. This is going to be a very, very popular niche, so it's one that you want to get started working on right now. Now, if you like this list of niches and you want some more really good ideas of things that are going to be huge in 2026 as well, I highly recommend watching my previous video where I talked about some other niches that are going to get so many sales that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.